Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So right now everyone is looking for any kind of update regarding the cutoff revision and when the registration is going to start for round 2. So in this video we are going to talk on the same. Okay. uh, I won't say that I have any kind of like internal source or updates, okay, but since I have been getting many messages, okay, I was putting the videos before the first round started. So many candidates are associated with us and they have been asking like when the revision will happen, uh, when the seat matrix and the registration will start, okay, all such things. Okay, so I'll try to clarify some of the things based on the my knowledge best. Okay, if you're new here and you are not qualified, or you are qualified, you are going to participate in the second round, or you're looking for the cutoff revision, please make sure that you subscribe this channel, because not many platforms are there in YouTube where you will get the updates regarding the NEET SS. You can also choose to avail our paid guidance services, and in case you are looking for particular details like previous year cutoff and the first round cutoff, you want to know the fee structure, stipend, bond, such details, and the choice filling also. Okay, so it's available on our website. Even the choice filling order is also available depending on the branches, different branches in different groups. Okay, you can avail the services as per your requirement. There are multiple options here. Okay, so talking about the first schedule. Okay, so you have the schedule in front of you. Even you can see the fee structure. The registration was supposed to start, okay, today from 12 noon. Okay, so at this moment when I'm creating this video, it should be ongoing, but it's not started yet. Okay, second thing, and it's not very strange that they are not sticking to their timeline. Even one day is also not a kind of like a common thing for MCC that they can deviate from the declared schedule. It's just few hours, so you can wait till evening. Since tomorrow the choice filling is going to start, before the choice filling they must publish the seat matrix. Okay, so they are also in compulsion to update you something regarding the cutoff revision. If they are going to do the cutoff revision, I'll tell you how the cutoff revision happened last year. Last year they revised the cutoff in uh, two installments, I would say. One revision happened before round 2 by 20 percentile. So up to 20 percentile all candidates were qualified, okay, in 2023. And before mop up round or the third round, everyone got qualified. So expecting, and after that in PG also, okay, they revised the cutoff into uh, two installments. So here also they can revise the cutoff two times. So we are also expecting, and mostly the candidates who are not qualified yet, they are expecting that the cutoff revision would happen before round 2. And there is nothing wrong. It's not the, just we have to wait for the official schedule, which may get published today by evening. Okay, something, some declaration, some updates, some indication they will give, or they are want to give, because they have given the schedule accordingly. One point is there, for the round 1 the reporting date was supposed to happen complete by 26th. So they delayed and extended up to 28th. Again they extended up to 30th. Okay, so we clearly see that the process got extended by 4 days. Definitely it will create some kind of delay in the process, because after the reporting is done, the reporting details will be shared by the authorities. Even it's not required to be shared, because when they take your reporting, they update it on the intra MCC portal. So MCC automatically getting the details of the reported candidates, okay, who reported and who didn't report, how many seats are available, and all such things. But if they have any kind of internal protocol or sharing of the data, okay, so that would take little bit more time, okay, than they have planned. Okay, so due to that, if there is taking more time, they would update. Okay, coming to the registration. So registration, if not starting today, it may start tomorrow, or maybe by evening, 6 7 p.m, like that. talking about the cutoff revision. Okay, if they are supposed to do the cutoff revision before the round 2, they will update you soon, very soon. Okay, if not today, maximum by tomorrow, maximum, not after that. And any update will tell you clearly whether revision is going to happen before round 2 or not going to happen, and how much is going to happen. Where you can check the revision related updates is not published on MCC, it will be published first on NBE. Okay, because exam got conducted by NB, and NB is the body which will give you the clarification regarding the cutoff reduction or revision. Okay, and seat matrix, coming to the seat matrix, many candidates have confusion or like understanding that most of the seats got allocated. Okay, so how we will get so many seats in the further round? I'll tell you, there are two reasons. We don't know like how many seats got reported, and no candidate can have that data because it's available on the intra MCC portal. None of the colleges would able to tell you that how many seats got reported in whole and soul. Okay, is a very sensitive document information which is held with the MCC, Counselling Authority, Government of India. So once they declare it, then only we will come to know. So they won't declare like how many candidates got reported or something. They will directly publish the seat matrix. So seat matrix will have multiple segments. One segment will tell you that okay, these many seats are clearly vacant for the round 2. Other segment will tell you these are the virtual vacant seat, means the candidates who opt for upgradation. Okay, opt for the upgradation during the reporting process, so they want to participate in round 2. Suppose in the round 2 they get the better seat, so that their previous allotted seat will be vacant. Okay, and that vacant seat will be available to you in the round 2. So that's, those kind of seats are known as virtual vacancy. Okay, those virtual vacancy will also be a part of your choice filling in the round 2. Okay, so you can claim the seats which is already allocated. That's the point. You can claim the seat which is already allocated, which is already reported. Okay, it can be like topmost institute, because the candidate may choose to go for the INISS. Result is not published, but if they are very sure that they are going to score like very good, okay, they can choose to leave it. Okay, so that's how it will go, and you can expect like good positive shift, because in the most of the branches, you can check our previous videos. I have done the comparison that positive shift in comparison with 2023 round 1. In round 1 of 2024, positive shift is found in different branches, different surgical, medical and other branches. Okay, so it can be found in the round 2, and this year round 2 is the last round for the upgradation. Okay, in the round 2, if you don't get the seat upgraded, that's your final seat if you already joined, and if you haven't got the seat, then you can go for the third round also. So that's how it will go. If we get any concrete update, I will update with you. The purpose was to create this video after a long time, just to clarify some of your doubts. Okay, and NEET Mentor will never talk about any kind of false references or something. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for watching.